I'm sure you've heard the news. Stealing brainrots in Roblox is the hottest trend right now. But how do you actually play and win? Let's break it down step by step. First things first, your goal is to collect brainrots. These little guys make you cash, and the rarer they are, the faster you earn. Grab them off the conveyor belt or, steal them from other players. Your base is your safe zone, but the lock only lasts so long. When it's open, other players can swoop in and swipe your stash, so watch that timer. Pro tip: rebirth early and often. It resets your cash and brain rots, but trust me, the cash multipliers and extra tools are worth it. Worried about losing your best units? Hand them to a friend or alt account, then grab them back after you rebirth. Events and boosts? Use them right before rare spawns for big wins. And don't waste space on weak brain rots. Sell them off and keep the moneymakers. Finally, master the art of stealing. Use traps and gadgets to slow down rivals and strike when their base is unguarded. Now get in there and steal that brain rot glory.